I'm Dr. S. Ramasree, Pro Vice-Chancellor Academics of Aditya University. Aditya University was evolved from Aditya Engineering College, which is established in 2001 by Aditya Academy. Now we have nearly 70 plus institutions with 23,000 plus students who are studying. We have nearly 18 plus countries from where we have students participating in our UG, PG, PhD programs. We always are trying to be on par with the latest trends. As and when required for each and every department, we always have the latest technology being installed in the campus. Therefore, we felt that apart from just teaching the academics, hands-on training is more important, experiential learning is more important, visual learning is more important. And to make all this possible, we felt like if we just have a whiteboard with a marker pen, it is not sufficient. We need to have an interactive panel where students at that moment of time can visualize whatever is being shown on the board. And for this visual, we have used the Teachmint X Interactive panels, which have helped us during the teaching process more effectively. So while choosing Teachmint, we had demonstrations of different interactive panels, and out of the interactive panels which we have seen, we felt that Teachmint is having better features when compared to the other panels, and therefore we have just moved towards Teachmint.
From the last 1 year, we are using this Teachmint interactive panel. Actually, earlier we used another panel, but it was not met all the expectations from the teacher and the leadership team. Whatever the lessons that I have taught, automatically it will store. Suppose if I want to continue the same concept, because as we have 50 minutes of the class, if the concept is taking more time, so I will continue in the next class. Previously, I used to draw from the first, so I can save that content and I can continue the remaining part.
Initially, each and every slot in my sequences. Earlier, we spent a lot of time to prepare the class as well as to prepare the notes. But now when we are using this Teachmint X Digital Board, so we spend a small amount of time for the preparation and we spend more time for the student interaction. Earlier, if I want to conduct any quiz randomly in my classroom, very burden for me. But when I am using this Teachmint Digital Board, simply I am going to be write my topic name, or I go for the AI quiz maker with the help of EduAI tool. So this become very easy, and I love these two features especially.
I'm teaching the programming languages. So without the panel, I used to write entire code. So after writing the code, I need to explain everything. Hours of time is wasted when compared to the before traditional way. And now, so here within the touch, we are going to have the every code so that we can make the students easy, and my work also reduced. After delivering my lecture, immediately I can assign homework, as well as immediately I can give the quiz to the students. So that is one of the benefit of this interactive panel. Manual manner is we are going to take the books and we are going to take the attendance. While using this digital panel, just we are going to mark only absentees so that it makes our work easy.
Earlier we used to have only the whiteboard or some projectors of that kind. But however, all these new concepts, I cannot write. Whatever I am writing on the board cannot be saved. I cannot record all those sessions. But now, because all these features are being available, whatever I have taught, everything can be recorded. So I feel all these new features would be more helpful for the faculty members, which was not available earlier. So I suggest any university, if they wanted to get themselves digitized or move towards the digital transformation, then I definitely recommend they can purchase the Teachmint panels. It helps them to the maximum extent.